The Karcher WD2 Tough Vac is perfect for tackling those tasks that other vacuums hate. This powerful machine comes complete with everything you need for any cleaning task and is ready to use in seconds. Whether it's a DIY project, general tidy up in the garage and garden, or cleaning out the car, the WD2 Tough Vac is the ideal companion. No matter if it's dry dirt or wet mess, the WD2 loves any challenge. The specially designed floor tool is perfect for sawdust, fine dirt, and even water. The hand nozzle can then tackle those larger items such as gravel or nuts and bolts, whilst also being able to deal with larger volumes of water and sludge. The package also includes a crevice nozzle that can be used to get into any hard-to-reach places, perfect for cleaning out the car. The WD2 comes with a tough 12-litre container and onboard storage for every accessory, meaning everything is always to hand. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to transport and store in any location. The Karcher WD2 Tough Vac comes complete with a 2-year warranty.